In this tutorial, we will cover how to impute values using Fire Insights. Imputing values is the process of generating data points to fill in for missing values or null values in a dataset. There are 4 ways of imputing data in Fire Insights. You can impute with a constant value or a statistic of the selected column, specifically the mean, median, or mode. In this tutorial, we will focus on the 2 most common methods, imputing with the mean and imputing with a constant. Here, in the Imputing with Mean Value node configuration page, the only thing the user needs to do is to select the column which has missing values. This node will then calculate the mean of the remaining values and impute that mean in place of the missing values. Next, in the Imputing with Constant node configuration pane, the process is a little bit different, but still similar. Here, we need to add to our variables list using the plus button on the left side of the configuration pane. Then we need to select the column with the missing values and enter a value which we want to be imputed in place of the missing values. We can also add more values using the plus button here on the left side of the configuration pane, or remove them using the minus button here on the right side of the configuration pane. We will be using the null values in column node to check for null values before and after imputing. Now this workflow is ready to execute. Here in the execution page, we can see that our column had 28 null values, which represented 13% of the total number of values in the column. After we execute the replace missing values with mean node, we can see that there are now no more remaining null values. After we replace with a constant, we can see that a similar thing happens and there are no more null values in the column selected. We can also check visually using the print n rows node. Here we can see the value 100, which we selected earlier in the impute node. These replace the missing values here in the column selected. Thank you for listening.